this is a cooking club recipe and a science experiment that you can do. So super simple, DIY butter. All you need is heavy whipping cream, a glass jar, and if you put a marble into it, it'll actually speed up the process. But we first did this at our Organic Valley field trip, and it was super simple. The kids liked it, and if you're ever in a pinch, all you need to do is grab some heavy whipping cream out of your fridge and just shake some butter. So here we go. I'm gonna add 1/3 of whipping cream into the glass container. And then all I'm going to do is shake it. Again, if you put a marble into it, it will speed the process up a little bit more. So here we go, we're just gonna shake. And you can play Taylor Swift, it's optional. The best part about this recipe is that you get in a workout while you shake the jar. It took about 10 minutes, so about a 10-minute workout, just an added bonus. That's also why I wear my muscle tank. All right, so here is the end product. Look at that whipped butter, and I'm gonna add some salt to it. So butter, you can do salted or unsalted. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. And voila, you have nice creamy butter. Simple as that.